Lots of parents are worried about their loved ones, their child being labelled with ADHD or autism. What are the advantages of being diagnosed with ADHD or autism?
Well, I can absolutely appreciate why parents have that concern, because as a parent, you don't want other people to view your child as a label, and that's not what these assessments are about at all. And there is, of course, that time and space where, for example, parents of particularly younger children might want to have an appointment with the child psychiatrist on their own, just to express some of their concerns and explore what does an assessment entail in detail. What would that mean? How do we go about sharing that information with the child, but also with other people? So there's that piece of work that can be done ahead of time to make sure that everyone feels comfortable with the assessment and what it entails. There's also the benefit of having an assessment is for not just the parents and the child to understand why there might be certain difficulties and challenges, but also for everyone else that's involved in that child's life to have that understanding. And in particular, if we think about school, for example, and a child who might be unfortunately getting labelled as naughty or, acting out or being really rude, when those might actually just be behaviours of impulsivity, which are directly linked to their ADHD, and they unfortunately just don't have that ability to regulate those types of behaviours. And so what you want is for a positive behavioural type of plan to be started within school to support that young person, so that they don't get those negative labels, but rather they're understood in how they learn any challenges that they might have within a classroom setting, for example, and to then be able to get the support that they need so that reasonable adjustments can be made and they can thrive and they can reach their full potential, because that's what it's really about.